Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our July 2021 current affairs sessions. And in this video, we are going to discuss the MCQs from 16th till 31st of July. So जो भी important current affairs हुए हैं हम उनको discuss करेंगे in depth, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a very important session for all your upcoming exams. Hence, please watch the video till the end. And जो भी मैं आपको last में assignment questions दूंगा, आप please उनको भी solve कीजिए और मुझे comment section में answer बताइएगा. As always, you can contact me on the below social media platforms if you need any help or you have any queries. And also please visit novation.in. Here you can find the PDFs of the videos that I'm posting on YouTube, and also you can help Novation by donating it. So with that, I'll start today's session. The first question for today: India's first ever grain ATM has been set up in which of the following states? So friends, grain ATM, the name suggests what it is used for. So यहाँ से आप grains को निकाल सकते हैं very easily using this electronic system. Okay, so सबसे पहले किस state में ये चालू हुआ है? The correct answer here is D, Haryana. So this ATM is named as Annapurti and it has been set up at Farrukhnagar in Gurugram and is aimed at easing up the process of dispensing grain at ration shops, ताकि लोग आसानी से grains ले पाए at the ration shops. Next, which of the following airports became the first in the world to be completely powered by natural gas and solar energy? Friends, this is an important question. Here the correct answer is C, Pittsburgh International Airport, USA. So यहाँ पर जो भी सारी facilities हैं एयरपोर्ट पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द एंटायर एयरपोर्ट, नेक्स्ट इट्स टर्मिनल्स, एयरफील्ड, द होटल हयात होटल विच इज़ देयर, एंड सुनको गैस स्टेशन, all of these will be running solely on the natural gas and solar energy. But this airport will still be connected to the conventional grid. अगर कोई power failure हो जाता है तो उस केस में वो natural grid से जो conventional power है वो भी draw कर सकता है in case of any failure in the system. Next, which of the following countries became the first Gulf country to open an embassy in Israel? So friends, here the correct answer is A, United Arab Emirates. So this is the first ever Gulf country which has opened this embassy, and in 2020, September 2020, UAE and Israel and Bahrain, they signed Abraham Accord with these three nations signed between them, so that they will try to maintain peace and prosperity for the people and the economy. Okay, and after that UAE has now recognized Israel and they have opened their embassy there. Next, the government of India will set up the Indian Institute of Heritage at which of the following places? So हमारा भारत का पहला Indian Institute of Heritage कहाँ पे होगा? It will be in D, Noida. Okay, and this is going to impact higher education and research in the field of the rich Indian heritage and its conservation. यहाँ पर आप master degrees, your PhDs can be done in history of arts, conservation, museology, archival study, archaeology, etc. Okay, so please remember. Next, which is the first state in India to issue educational documents using blockchain technology? So another unique question. The correct answer here is C, Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is going to adopt this blockchain technology because there has been a lot of cases of forgery in the documents. So every student is going to receive this certificate _legit.doc.zip, which will be a zip file. It is a digital file which contains all the original PDF diploma certificates, their degrees, in a corresponding blockchain proof file. So it will be blockchain proof, so that no forgery can be done and it can be verified within 10 seconds from anywhere around the world, and it does not require any human intervention because of the blockchain technology involved. Okay, next. Recently, India has emerged as the largest forex reserve holder in the world. So हम किस नंबर पे हैं in terms of हमारे forex reserves in dollar? Here the correct answer is B, 5th. India is the 5th largest holder of forex reserves in dollars. So our reserves currently stands at around $610 billion as of June 25, and I'm hoping it must have increased within this 1 month also. And as I told, we are on the 5th position. अब हमसे पहले कौन है? First is China, okay. Second is Japan. Third is Switzerland. Fourth is Russia. Then 5th is India. Next, who among the following became the first ever first ever Indian batsman to hit 50 on both T20 and ODI debut. सो आपने पहले ही ODI और पहले ही T20 में दोनों में किसने हाफ सेंचुरी स्कोर की है? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ईशान किशन. ही इज द फर्स्ट एवर इंडियन बैट्समैन टू डू सो. सो यू कैन सी हिम इन द फोटोग्राफ. ओके, एंड जो उन्होंने ODI डेब्यू किया था वो है श्रीलंका के खिलाफ रिसेंटली, एंड जो T20 डेब्यू किया था वो है इंग्लैंड के खिलाफ. ओके, नेक्स्ट, name the first Indian state to provide 1% reservation for the transgender community in all the government services. Friends, here the correct answer is D, Karnataka. This is a very important question and a unique initiative. So this 1% reservation will be for all categories like general, SC, STs, etc. All of them are, they will be eligible for this 1% reservation for the transgender community. अगर किसी पोस्ट के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है कोई ट्रांसजेंडर कैंडिडेट, देन दिस जॉब कैन बी गिवन टू द फीमेल और मेल, anyone from the same category in the notification. Next is, which of the following countries will become first in the world to develop a DNA based COVID vaccine? So friends, the correct answer is B, India. So India will become the first in the world to have this DNA based vaccine, and Zydus Cadila is the name of the company which has developed this vaccine called ZyCoV-D, and this is world's first plasmid DNA COVID vaccine. Our Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia, he said that this is going to be a great pride for us and the Indian scientists because this will be the first ever DNA vaccine. And presently this vaccine has applied for drug controllers authorization. So once it is authorized, it will be official. Okay, next, which of the following states high court will become the first high court in the country that would stream its proceedings live? So जो भी proceeding होंगे कोर्ट के वो live stream किए जाएंगे. कौन सी ऐसी पहली हाई कोर्ट है? The correct answer is A, गुजरात हाई कोर्ट. एंड फ्रेंड्स, ये सिर्फ गुजरात हाई कोर्ट में ही नहीं होगा, आगे चल के ये सभी कोर्ट्स में और यहाँ तक कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी इसको करने का प्लान है. सो चीफ जस्टिस जो है मिस्टर NV रमन्ना, ही सेड दैट दिस लॉन्च it is launched presently for Gujarat, but this court functioning and will be implemented in Supreme Court as well. This will be started soon. Okay, next, name the author of the book The India Story. So I have a hint for you. The author is a former Reserve Bank of India governor. So here the correct answer is C, Bimal Jalan. So he has written this book, The India Story, and it focuses on India's economic history, and it also aims to provide a lesson for the future of India's political economy. So this is all about economy and what resides in the future. Next, name the female weightlifter who won a silver medal for India in the Tokyo Olympics of 2021. So recently किसने silver medal जीता है? So the correct answer is D, Mirabai Chanu. So this is the only medal that India have won till now when I'm shooting this video. So Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu bagged the country's first medal in the ongoing Tokyo Olympics with a silver in women's 49 kg category. And एक और important points दोस्तों, Priya Malik, she won a gold medal in 2021 World's Cadet Wrestling Championship. So ये भी आप याद रखिएगा. This is not related to Olympics. This is a different world championship. Okay. Which of the following body is planning to launch central bank digital currency in the near future in India? So friends, this is a very easy question. Central bank is a synonym for Reserve Bank of India. तो Reserve Bank of India ही launch करने वाला है. So correct answer is C, Reserve Bank of India. So RBI is currently working toward making a plan toward the phased implementation strategy and examining the use cases which could be implemented with little or no disruption. So आपको पता है दोस्तों, अगर RBI कोई चीज़ launch करेगा so it will be very trustworthy. सब लोग उसमें पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेंगे. सो इससे डिसरप्शन आ सकता है पूरी क्रिप्टो करेंसी इंडस्ट्री में और बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी. इसलिए दे नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल डूइंग द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. सो उसी के बारे में भी वो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द फर्स्ट एवर सिटिंग MP? सो हियर MP मीन्स मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. ओके, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट to receive jail term for bribing the voters. So very serious allegation was there. The correct answer is A, Kavita Malhotra. So she is MP from TRS party, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, and she represents Mahabubabad constituency, and she is sentenced to 6 months of imprisonment by a special court, and she is also fined 10,000 rupee in the cash for vote scam. Okay. Next is, which Indian city has been recently declared as the first city in the country to have city-wide safe drinking tap water? So another very important question, guys. Here the correct answer is A, Puri, which is in Odisha, and Odisha's Chief Minister Mr. Naveen Patnaik has inaugurated this mission called Drink from Tap, and this makes Puri the first city in India to achieve 24/7 quality drinking water supply. So under this mission, this goal has been achieved. Next is, who among the following will be awarded the prestigious Maharashtrabhushan Award? So friends, here the correct answer is A, Asha Bhosle. So the Maharashtrabhushan selection committee chaired by CM Uddhav Thackeray has unanimously selected legendary playback singer Asha Bhosle for this prestigious award. So this committee is chaired by Mr. Chief Minister. Next, which city was unanimously selected by the International Olympics Committee to host the 2032 Summer Olympics? So here the correct answer is D, Brisbane. और भी important points देख लेते हैं दोस्तों. So जो 2024 Olympics होने वाले हैं, it will be held in Paris, France, and 2028 Olympics will be held in Los Angeles, California, USA. Okay. Next. Okay friends, now is the time for your assignments. आप मुझे ये तीनों questions comment section में answer बताइएगा. So here first is, how many new sports will be contested at the Tokyo Olympics 2021? So उन sports कितने sports हैं और उन sports के names क्या हैं वो भी आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा. Next, name the newly sworn in Chief Minister of Karnataka. Very important question, guys. Third one, which Indian state partnered with Afghanistan Chamber of Commerce and Investment to boost trade with the country? So ये भी आप मुझे comment section में बताइएगा. So friends, thanks a lot for watching. I hope the video was helpful. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा है so please आप इसे like करिए, share करिए आपके friends के साथ, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, business awareness, etc. And also please visit novation.in, and if you like the content which I'm posting, please go ahead and support Novation by going to the donate button. Alright, so with that I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.